Opening things. Okay, now do you put these somewhere? The place where I used to put these, I've since cleaned up, so I don't remember these. Got a new EX in that Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Ah, let's go, dude. Let's go. Wait, I need to look at Pro sent me. Da, 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 da. Sparkly! Do these animate in the app? Pikachu! Wait, I could use a reference. Okay, we'll come back to that one. What reference? Gengar! Of course, they're shiny. So wait, are any of these cards like actual Pokemon cards? Like printed ones? Or are they only in the game? Oh, this is the Bulbasaur I saw. So pretty. Colors. That Rapidash is stunning! Interesting. Actually, this frame thing they're doing too. Do they say the artist on these? Oh yeah, that's a famous I know that artist. Taira Akitsu. Actually, who did the Bulbasaur? Bulbasaur. Oh yeah, I know them as well. They're another classic one. Dude. Oh, pretty! Oh my god, all these are so pretty. I need to play
Thank you,
this game.
Cristiano _CR07 for the follow.
Cristiano, welcome on in.
Thank you, Revenge26 _ for the follow.
Revenge. Let's go, chat. Thank you for the follow still. Kiki, welcome on in. We're just looking at some Pokemon cards. Chat, I am so inspired by this one card. Like, crazy inspired right now. So pretty. I want this as a poster. I need to find... Wait, who did this? Oh, it's that person again. I'm telling you, pro artist. Taira Aki. We might have to do a study of them. Okay, this is their art. Pretty. They do very thin lines, which is interesting. It's kind of cell shaded, but with subtle gradients. Oh, who wants me to hydrate? Proxy! The AI emote. That's the first time I've seen it in chat. Okay, I need to save this card on my desktop because it's not pointy. Oh, I'm never gonna be able to paint something that good. This is so stupid. I love it. Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell is this one? It's ridiculous. Kieran! Articuno. Oh wait, you see these ones? Nidoking? Okay, this one's weird. See, people do art like this, like they don't hire me.